What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which has taken a little bit of a dip, 6% down in the last 24 hours and currently trading at this value here. However, we can see here that yesterday afternoon it did take a little bit of a dip, and right now it is slowly starting to pump up in value. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to pump, is it going to recover straight away. And as you guys can see, over the last week or two it has taken a slight dip in value as well. So we're going to be going for its prediction for the rest of the year, which is about a week left, and going into 2024, what can we expect from Milady meme coin, how high it can go, is it worth investing into it, and so on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video. So for now, I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple. However, we can see that Milady meme coin is trading at a slightly lower value here in green, meaning it is performing on target and as well as expected. So far so good. It is not overvalued, meaning I am not expecting it to crash back down anytime soon. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, it should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 12 to 14 hours. Do expect it to take a little bit of dips in between as well, where it's likely to hit red candles, but the overall outcome clearly seems to be more on the positive side. So whatever's been happening over the last few hours is likely to replicate over the next 12 to 14 hours, pumping up in value. But again, it's not going to be a major pump or anything like that. Zooming into the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking quite bullish. The blue and the orange line are looking positive, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning more increases in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, Milady meme coin should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major pump or anything like that. It is going to be minimal increases in value, hitting green candles, but do expect the odd red day in between as well. But again, as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And at this point, that's the way it looks like it's going to go as of my predictions at the moment. And again, if there are any major changes to that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is zoom into the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. What can we see here? We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, which is not looking too good. However, the only reason why it's looking quite bearish is because of the drop that's taken place over the last week or two. The graph thinks that is likely to carry on dropping in that direction. However, that is not the case guys. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late February and early March 2024, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially pumping higher than where it was worth on the 15th of December, which was its highest it's been in the last quarter, so over the last 3 to 4 months. So I am expecting it to pump up higher than that value over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys. Reason for that is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the bullish direction, pumping up in value. But again, Do expect the odd red days and red weeks even in between, but at the moment, as you guys know, as long as the overall outcome is more on the positive side, that's all that matters. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the red zone, and here we did try and break out from the resistance target here, but it did resist and drop back down into the red zone. But next time it hits the resistance target, which I'm expecting it to be in January 2024, we should break out and potentially head into the green zone in February March 2024, guys. So we should be good to go for Q1 of next year. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go into the CoinMarketCap website, and as you guys can see, the trading volume has dropped once again, nearly 40%, making it $7.7 million in trading, which is not looking too great. Reason for that is, of course, the value of Milady meme coin has dropped quite a bit, 20% over the last week, so not many people are trading it. They're just holding back, no one's investing into it, and no one's selling it because it's dropping in value. A lot of people are panicking right now, so most people are just holding on to it until it moves up in a positive direction, which it currently is doing, but it needs to pump up a little bit more for it to go on the green side. So this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin, guys. For those of you asking, is now the right time to buy it or is it the right time to sell it? Personally, I wouldn't buy it right now. Reason for that is, as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to hit red days as well, and I've already invested into the crypto about a year or two ago, so meaning I've already got investment into it, and all I'm doing right now is just holding on to it for the long term, going over the next couple of years. And for those of you guys asking, is it time to sell it? If I am on a profit, I would sell it, but not all of it. If I had $1,000 invested, I would probably sell about $200 to $300 worth, so about 20 to 30%. And keep the remaining 60 to 70% going into 2024 and 2025 over the next couple of years. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Milady meme coin to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.